Hello, my name is Lisette Martinez Paternina. I am 31 years old. I am studying psychology. I am living in Cartagena. I am married. My recipe is mote de queso. The ingredients are jam, cheese, long onion, white onion, garlic, salt, pepper. This is recipe is prepared first. The jam is cut into small pieces and cooked in a pot with water, a little salt, and the chopped long onion. Then, in a pan with oil, fry the onions, garlic, and a pepper. Later, the fry is added to the pot with the cooked jam. Finally, the cheese is added in small cubes to the pot until you have a thick mixture. This mote de queso is accompanied with white rice or to the taste of the person. I invite you to try this delicious dish that is part of Colombian cuisine. Thank you.